Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today again I am going to discuss about the question of exercise 11.2. So in my previous video, I have completed till to question number 6. Question number 6 of exercise 11.2. So today, student, I am going to start from the question number 7 of the exercise 11.2. So firstly student, I am writing the question on the board and see question number 7. Triangle ABC is right angle at A. Figure is given student in your book 11.25. AD is perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 13 centimeter, and AC is equal to 12 centimeter. Find the, question is asking me student, find the area of triangle ABC. And next question is asking me also find the length of AD. Find the length of AD. And figure is drawn student like this. So student, this is the 5 centimeter. This side is 5 centimeter. This side is 13 centimeter. And this side is 12 centimeter. And this angle is right angle triangle. And this is the perpendicular line which drawn from the point A, vertex A, B and C. And this is perpendicular line. So this angle will be right angle. And second figure student, second figure is the figure of question number 8. So student, this is very easy question. Firstly, try to understand the meaning of the question student. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. This is A, B and C is right angle triangle. Why? Because one angle is 90 degree. Assume that this is 90 degree. If in the figure is not seems that A is 90 degree, then you will assume this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree angle. This is 90 degree angle. At A point per, on the point A, at the point A, angle is right angle. AD is perpendicular AD line. This is the AD line. AD is perpendicular. I am drawing a perpendicular line from point A. So question is saying AD is the perpendicular to BC. To BC. At the BC, AD is the perpendicular. So if AD is perpendicular, so perpendicular line makes the 90 degree angle to BC. BC के साथ 90 डिग्री एंगल बनाएगा to BC. If AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 13 centimeter, and AC is equal to 12 centimeter, find the area of triangle ABC. Find the area of the triangle ABC. So student, for finding the area of the triangle, we use the formula 1 upon 2 into base into height. 1 upon 2 base into height. So, student, because this is a right angle triangle and 90 degree angle is created from this point, so AC is the height. Look here, see this figure. This is right angle triangle. यही तो है, यहां पर 90 डिग्री एंगल बना हुआ है. This is the base, this is the base, and this is the height. So, student, this is the height of the triangle. This is the height of the right angle triangle. So, student, question is saying find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD, and we need to find out the length of AD. The length of perpendicular line. What will be? So, student, which information is given in the question? Firstly, note it down. So, I am going to solve this question, student. Angle A in triangle ABC. Angle A is equal to 90 degree and AD is perpendicular line, you know, and AB is equal to 5 centimeter. It is given. BC is equal to 13 centimeter. It is given also, and AC is equal to 12 centimeter. So, into student, if AC is the height, then AB will be base. AB will be the base of the triangle. So, AB is equal to 5 centimeter. So, you can write before AB, base AB is equal to 5 centimeter, and BC, leave it at this time, and AC is the height AC is equal to 12 centimeter. So, therefore student, the area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. So student, 1 upon 2 of this triangle, base is given. If base is AB, then height of the triangle will be AC. It's sure. So 1 upon 2 base AB is equal to 5 centimeter into height student 12, that is 12. So 2 6 are 12 and 6 5 are 30 centimeter square. It is the area of the triangle, of this right angle triangle. Area. It is my first answer. 30 centimeter square is the area of this right angle triangle ABC. So student, now again question is asking me, find the length of AD. Find the length of AD. If student, if BC is the base, then AD will be the height of the triangle. It's sure. If BC is the base, then AD will be the height. So you can write, if BC will be write like this statement, student. Let BC be the base of triangle ABC. Then height is equal to AD. Then height is equal to AD. तो हाइट क्या होगी? AD होगी. So student, you have already find out the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle you have already find out. So how can we find out the height of the triangle? Height of the triangle. So write the formula for finding the area. So student, area of the triangle is equal, triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into base into height. And student, you are seeing here that base is equal to 13 centimeter. 13 BC is given. So student, you can write 1/2 into base is BC, height is AD. You can write on the place of B and H. So and height, sorry student, and area of the triangle is given 30 centimeter. You have already find out 30. So student, you can write like this, 30 is equal to 1/2 into base is 13 centimeter. So you can write on the place of BC 13 and height is AD. So student, when you multiply 1/2 into 13, you will get student 30 is equal to 13/2 AD, because we are multiplying all terms together. So we get 13/2 AD. So student, now we need to find out the length of AD. So we have to transpose 13/2 to the left side. So in the right side, by 13/2 we are multiplying. So when we transpose to the left side, we have to multiply. So we get student AD is equal to 30 divided by 13/2. And you know how to divide 13/1? Division sign we change in multiplication sign, and fraction which is written after the division sign we write reciprocal 2/13, and we get student 30 to the 60, 60/13, 60/13, 30 to the 60, and 13 1 13, and divide it, 60 divided by 13, 13 4 52, 10 minus 2 8, 10 minus 2 8, 5 minus 5 0, 0.0, 13 6 78 2 means 4.6. 4.6 centimeter. 4.6 centimeter is the length of AG. Length of AG. So, student, I hope you have understood this question very well. This is very easy. Firstly, you will find the area, and after this, find the length of the AG. For finding the length of AG, you have to assume the BC as base. BC as base. इसको base आपको लेना पड़ेगा. And area of the triangle 1/2 base into height, 1/2 into base BC and AG. BC is given 13 centimeter. So you will write on the place of BC 13, and you will divide 30 divided by 13/2, and that is 2/13. At last you will get the length of AD. So I hope, student, you have understood this question very well. So come to the next question, means question number 8, student. So firstly, I raise this question. Question number 8, student. This is the last question of this exercise. So firstly, I am writing the question. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Isosceles with AB is equal to AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. And BC is equal to 9. And BC is equal to 9 centimeter. BC is equal to 9 centimeter. In figure, from your book, in your book, student, figure is drawn 11.26. The height AD, the height AD from A to BC, from A to BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the area. Find the area. Find the area of triangle ABC. What will be the height? What will be the height from C to AB? From C to AB. Is that CE? Question mark. So, student, this is the question, and I am going to draw the figure. Suppose that this is isosceles triangle, and this side is 7.5 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter, and this side length is 7.5 centimeter also, and this side BC, this side is 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and from the point A, perpendicular line is drawn like this, student, and making the 90-degree angle with this side, and from the point C, one perpendicular line drawn also, student, like this, and the name of triangle is, student, ABC, and from C, when we are drawing the perpendicular line, so this line makes the 90-degree angle with AB, student, like this. देखिए यहाँ पर 90 डिग्री का एंगल बना है क्योंकि मैं परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं ना. दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर लाइन. सो स्टूडेंट AD इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. AD is equal to 6 centimeter. So student, this is the question. Now student, the question is saying triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, you know, student, that triangle which two sides are equal. Two sides are equal means AB is equal to AC. AB equal किसके है? AC के हैं. And AB is equal to AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. It means AB and AC both are equal to in length 7.5 centimeter. And BC is equal to 9 centimeter. BC, this side is BC, 9 centimeter. The height AD from A to BC, from A to BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. What will be the height from C to AB? What will be the height from C to AB? AB is that C. The name of this point is E. So, student, I am going to solve this question. Like the question number 7, you will solve this question as seen. So, student, given in isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equal to 7.5 centimeter. BC is equal to AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter also, and BC is equal to 9 centimeter, and height BC, this is base BC is equal to 9 centimeter. Height AD is equal to 6 centimeter. So area of the triangle, very easy, student. Therefore the area of triangle ABC 1/2, you know formula, 1/2 into base into height. So 1/2 base is given, base BC. When height of the triangle is AD, then base will be BC, you know. So 1/2 into base is 9 centimeter. 9 into height AD is equal to 6 centimeter. So you can calculate 2 3 ja 6 and 9 3 ja 27 centimeter square. This is the area of the isosceles triangle ABC. So it is my first answer, student. It is my first answer. I have find out the first answer which are asking in the question. So in second question is saying what will be the height from C to AB? What will be the height from C to AB? Is that C? Means CE की लेंथ क्या होगी? CE की लेंथ क्या होगी? When CE makes the 90-degree angle with AB, so this is the perpendicular. It means if CE, you can write like this: if CE is height then base will be AB. Base will be AB. So area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Area of triangle you have already find out, student, 27 centimeter square. 27 is equal to 1/2 into base. On the place of B you can write AB. You can write AB into height. On the place of height you can write CE, and we need to find out the length of CE. So now put the value, student, of AB. 27 is equal to 1/2 into AB. AB is given 7.5 into CE. So student, we get 27 is equal to, multiply it, 7.5/2 into CE. So find the value of CE, transpose this to the left side. In right side we are multiplying, so when we transpose to the left side we have to divide, student. So CE is equal to 27 divided by 7.5/2 and 27/1 into 2/7.5 and multiply, student. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4 1 5/75, 7.5, student, and remove this decimal point, so you will get 540/75. Now divide 540 divided by 75. So 7 7 ja, student, 7 5 ja 35, 3 is carry, 7 7 ja 49, 150, 52. Yes, right. 10 minus 5 5, 10 minus 5 5, 3 minus 2 1. This is point and 0, 150, 2 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja 14, 1 15. So we get the 7.2. So length of C is equal to 7.2 centimeter. This is my second answer of the question. So student, this is the question. I hope you have understood very well. This is very easy. Firstly you need to find out the area, and after this you write the formula for finding the area of the triangle and put all the value. But when you are able to find out the area, after this you can find out the length of CE. So student, this was the last question of this exercise, and I hope you have understood, and this exercise has finished, student, today. and in my next video I will start your new exercise 11.3. So thank you student, thank you very much.